Hey guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're going to open this Playmobil.
9325. Well, it's talking about the Martin Lutero. This 500-year anniversary of the Reform, right?
You
know who is Martin Lutero?
You say.
Hey Google, who is Martin Lutero?
According to Wikipedia, Martin Luther, OSA, was a German professor of theology, composer, priest, monk, and a seminal figure in the Protestant Reformation.
Well, that's very important, right?
Yes. We'll take a look at the back. Take a look at the front. No, this is poncho. Now open it. Boring. Oh no, I got through the it's not cool. Yeah. What? Oh, you got this guy. You got these two things.
There's the brochures, the flyers.
What is this?
It's talking about Martin Lutero. Actually, this is a 201.
You keep this box, that's why your face was like annoying. And
Yeah.
that's why?
Well, you see the map of Germany.
That's why I broke the box.
It's Germany map. You see German map. It's talking about where you can find the tourist spot about Martin
I
Lutero.
broke the box, that's why your face was annoying. So let's open it. Is that what happened? Let's just open it. Don't care about him.
Yeah, kids, you have to learn about Martin Lutero.
He's very
Look it.
unimportant.
Yeah, he's very important about the church reform.
Unimportant.
Very important.
No, it's not. He is important. What? How you put this out like this?
Yes.
He has this cape on first. His cape. You need to put this on.
Yeah. His wardrobe.
Okay. Now take his book. How are you supposed to hold the book? Let's put the hands on first. Why is there 3 of them?
Yeah, they give you one extra.
What? What the? Okay. He just holds the book. Yeah, I know what it is now. Okay, the small's in the bottom. Okay, just put it like that. Let's keep going the other side. Let's keep looking at the camera.
Have you been to Germany before?
Yes, that's where my grandma lives.
I love Germany.
Not really. How you have to turn your hands. It's not pressable too. What? When it was the olden days, were feathers supposed to be a pen? Can you say?
They put a feather on top of the pen. They got a ink pen. They use ink to write.
Oh.
And later they got fountain pen.
What is
And then,
ball pen?
no. After fountain pen, they invent the check. Reinvent the ball pen.
Yeah, and then ball pen. Let's give you this.
He is Martin Lutero. And you have to say hi and salute to him.
So bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. And bye.